Am I seeing double? Introducing Jetwave's new stainless steel red adjustable dual lance, the JW-54.2. Now available as an optional lance accessory on Jetwave's range of high pressure cleaners. Manufactured from quality specific materials for robust and corrosion resistance life. Manufactured in Germany. This twin lance offers a nicer ergonomic interface with two vertically stacked straight stainless steel outlet tubes, giving the operator the ability to adjust the pressure from high to low on the fly with the integrated side handle, keeping the machine's flow and also giving a wider spray pattern when adjusted on your cleaning job. Because of the way that this lance has been designed with our J5500K gun snap coupling system, it also allows finally for right or left hand operators. This lance has a new, shorter, red molded 300mm insulation grip around a 1/4 inch stainless steel tube rated to 400 bar. The inlet is our J5500K snap tail. The outlet is two high quality stainless steel nozzle sockets with our protective JW10 nozzle protectors at the end of the lance. The max pressure is 5080 PSI or 350 bar with a max rated temperature of 150 degrees C or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The total length is 1040 millimeters or 36 inches. The body is a solid billet machine stainless steel bypass block with the integrated adjustable solid plastic handle. Please note that the lance will need optional nozzles that are rated to your specific machine's pump, pressure and flow. Now available as an upgrade on Jetwave's G2 products to be purchased separately. Please like and subscribe our channel. More content coming your way. Thanks.